Hey, what's up? My name is David, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Calendar with GoHighLevel. First off, you want to log into your GoHighLevel account, then go to the sub account that you want to connect your calendar with. All right, then click on settings, go to integrations down here. Next up, you want to click on sign in with Google, then simply select the Google Calendar that you like. Click on continue. Click on allow. Then when you are here, you want to hit close. All right. As you can see, your account is now connected with GoHighLevel, and there is one last step you need to do. You want to go up here to my profile, then go down here and add your Google Calendar so it syncs with the calendar in GoHighLevel. As you can see, your Google Calendar is now fully integrated with GoHighLevel, as bookings are synced with your linked calendar, and it will check both calendars to prevent double bookings. Awesome, that's it with this short video. Leave a like, comment down below which GHL tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching.